requested that the priority for water and sanitation in Timor-Leste will be very helpful to have healthy people, to stop malnutrition and diarrhea and diseases, and that will allow people to be more productive and create this workforce that is ready for the future progress of uh, Timor-Leste. The next, the big item is how to increase the income of the coffee farmers. I think this is something that is of social impact investment, and it has to be sustainable, it has to be profitable for all the stakeholders, and we are going to study this. After this meeting in the afternoon, we are going to mobilize a coffee farm, and we are going to learn even deeper how the lifestyle of the coffee farmers, how to improve it and how to help them have toilets, send their children to school, increase the quality of life. So on this trip, I would like to learn together with my team members from Singapore how to identify the opportunities, which is basically the challenges that is facing, and how to convert it into actionable social businesses that can improve the quality of life of Timor-Leste population. We'll be meeting the World Bank tomorrow, as well as the UNICEF, and also meeting one of the school operated by Singaporeans. I think this learning trip is the first time I'm in Timor-Leste, but it will be the first of many trips coming here, because there's a lot of work that we can do here, and Timor-Leste will join the ASEAN as the 11th member, and we will have to definitely do the same journey as Singapore from third world to first world. I grew up in 1957 when Singapore was one of the poorest countries in the world, and I have seen by my own eyes how the transformation of Singapore in 30 years from third world to first world. And we definitely have the experience and the knowledge of how the same transformation can be done in Timor-Leste. I look forward to doing a lot of work, and we're writing proposal to President, and after that to see how to mobilize the support of all the other stakeholders in Singapore as well as all over the world. Thank you very much.
So after meeting with the President, how is the recommendation from President?
The President recommends that we follow up on several items. There was a project from the humming fish program in Hong Kong that needs to scale up. There is that's for coffee, for cafe to buy premium coffee. Another one is a very big program on sewage, which was cancelled because of the USAID closure. So I think we are asking for that proposal to see how we can work with the World Bank, Asian Development Bank to see the financing model. I have much experience from the World Toilet Organization. I'm the founder, and we have helped Brazil to privatize their sewage treatment plant, which was formerly owned by the government. And over the last 5.5 years, Brazil has been able to attract $44 billion into their sewage treatment plant because of the change of the law to privatize their operations. And I think if there is opportunity, perhaps this could be another solution. But first, we have to increase the income of the people so that they can afford to pay for the services for sewage treatment or wastewater treatment for clean water filtration. And if we are able to have this one problem solved, then we will have healthy people who we can train. Singapore government is giving technical assistance to training of leadership, of government officials, and I think you can only say that the Timor-Leste future will have to be very, very good because there's a lot of help coming, and also to unlock the entrepreneurship of the local people and the leadership of the local people. We'll be trying to contact other deputy ministers as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Complete.
This is good.
No, because